When it comes to brute force attacks, you really need the right tool in your arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned pen tester or just getting started, the tool you choose can be the difference between impressing colleagues and customers and luring them into a false sense of security. We put in the time and work to compare two brute forcing heavyweights, Hydra and the Password Auditor from Pentest-Tools.com. We tested both tools across 26 web applications, including WordPress, Joomla, Microsoft Exchange, to see how they handle weak credentials, navigate complex login forms, and bypass security measures like CAPTCHA, IP blocking, and rate limiting. The goal? To find out which tool works faster, more accurately, and with less hassle. Hydra is famous in the offensive security community, but how does it stack up against the more streamlined, automated Password Auditor? Here's what we found. In our lab scenario, testing each tool with one valid and one invalid credential across all 26 applications, the Password Auditor hit a 100% success rate, while Hydra only managed 27%. That's 7 valid credentials out of 26 for Hydra compared to Password Auditor's perfect score. But what about a real-world scenario? We pushed the tools further, testing them with multiple credentials, one valid and 10 or more invalid sets. Let's take a closer look at individual apps. For web apps like Joomla, cPanel, PHPMyAdmin, the Password Auditor consistently outperformed Hydra, which failed to correctly identify credentials in these more complex environments. In apps like Exchange, Magento, JetBrains TeamCity, Hydra couldn't get past basic defenses. And here's where the ease of use comes in. As you may know, Hydra demands manual setup, from discovering login endpoints to crafting specific commands. It is powerful, yes, but time-consuming. Meanwhile, the Password Auditor comes with a pre-configured, user-friendly interface. You just need to select your target, choose the attack type, and hit scan. It's that simple. Defensive measures? The Password Auditor isn't just about brute-forcing credentials. It's designed to recognize CAPTCHA, IP blacklisting, and rate limiting, and give you detailed feedback on how to bypass or handle these defenses. Hydra, on the other hand, struggles with modern web security like client-side tokens and JavaScript-based hashing. Let's break it down. For quick, accurate brute force attacks across a wide range of modern web apps, the Pentest-Tools.com Password Auditor is the clear winner. Its accuracy, ability to handle advanced security mechanisms, and ease of use make it the go-to tool for penetration testers. Hydra, it's still powerful for simpler, manual brute forcing, but when time matters and targets are more complex, it's harder to justify choosing it. So, who's the winner? With a 100% success rate in lab testing and 84% in real-world scenarios, the Password Auditor outshines Hydra's 27% and 15% results. Want to dive deeper? Check out the full comparison results in the link below. We've got the data, the Hydra commands, and all the proof you need to see which tool will help you crush your next weak credentials audit.